I'm gonna show you how to set up Toast in Axiom. So to get started, first thing you need to do is go to the website right here, which is axiom.trade, and then sign in into your account so you can modify or set up your Axiom Toast. So from the bottom right here, just click on market trade right here, wallet trade right here, tracker, and then a pop-up will show up. And then from here, you just have to move it into center so you can see it more clearly. And then from here, you can just have to click on trade, and then click on the gear icon or the settings right here. And then again, a pop-up will show up right here, which is all you have to do is just click on Toast. And then on Toast, when you click on Toast, the display, you can customize the display or set up the display to your liking, which is from this one. You can turn it off or enable or disable this. Also, all the necessary details or informations that you want to display. And then on the market, you can also set the market cap or enable the market cap, and then all of the settings. Of course, from miscellaneous also, you can customize or set up the settings that you want. You can turn it off or turn it on. Also, and the lastly is this quick buy. You can enable the quick buy from here and then set up to your liking also. And then lastly, when you're done with it, just click on done on the bottom pane. So once you're done with that, that's it. That's how to set up your Toast in Axiom Trade.